Welcome again to another episode of How to Pass Your Theory Test First Time. And this is our fourth mock test that we're going to do together. Okay, so here we go.
What should you do if your mobile phone rings while you're driving or riding? Stop immediately. Answer it immediately. Leave it until you have stopped in a safe place. Pull up at the nearest curb. When must you stop your vehicle? If you're involved in an incident that causes damage or injury. At a junction where there are give-way lines. At the end of a one-way street. Before merging onto a motorway.
So although at a junction where there are give-way lines, we stop, obviously, but it's not the correct answer. Before emerging onto motorway, that's wrong. At the end of a one-way street, you got to check if it's open, you can go. But the correct answer is when you're involved in an accident that causes damage or injury.
How should you drive or ride in areas with traffic calming measures? At a reduced speed. At the speed limit. In the center of the road. With headlights on dip beam. What does this sign mean? No overtaking. No motor vehicles. Clear way, no stopping. Cars and motorcycles only. What should you do when you're overtaking a horse and rider? Sound your horn as a warning. Go past as quickly as possible. Flash your headlights as a warning. Go past.
Sorry.
What's the main benefit of driving a four-wheel drive vehicle? Improved grip on the road. Lower fuel consumption. Shorter stopping distances. Improved passenger comfort. What can result when you travel for long distances in neutral, known as coasting? Improvement in control. Easier steering. Reduction in control. Increased fuel consumption. Why is it more difficult to overtake a large vehicle than a car? It will take longer to overtake a large vehicle. A large vehicle will be fitted with a speed limiter. A large vehicle will have air brakes. It will take longer for a large vehicle to accelerate. What restrictions apply to people who have a provisional driving license? They cannot drive over 30 miles per hour. They cannot drive at night. They cannot drive unaccompanied. They cannot drive with more than one passenger. You're towing a trailer along a 3-lane motorway. When may you use the right-hand lane? When there are lane closures. When there's slow-moving traffic. When you can maintain a high speed. When large vehicles are in the left and center lanes. You arrive at an incident. There's no danger from fire or further collisions and the emergency services have been called. What's your first priority when attending to an unconscious motorcyclist? Check whether they're breathing normally. Check whether they're bleeding. Check whether they have any broken bones. Check whether they have any bruising. You're reversing into a side road. When would your vehicle be the greatest hazard to passing traffic? After you've completed the maneuver. Just before you begin to maneuver. After you've entered the side road. When the front of your vehicle swings out. You arrive at an incident. A pedestrian is bleeding heavily from a leg wound. The leg is not broken and there's nothing in the wound. How could you help? Dab the wound to stop the bleeding. Keep the casualty's legs flat on the ground. Give them a warm drink. Apply firm pressure over the wound. What should you do if you park on the road when it's foggy? Leave parking lights switched on. Leave dipped headlights and fog lights switched on. Leave dipped headlights switched on. Leave main beam headlights switched on. Powered vehicles used by disabled people are small and can be hard to see. What must they display if they're traveling on a dual carriageway? Flashing red beacon, flashing green beacon, flashing blue beacon, flashing amber beacon. What circumstances require you to notify the driver and vehicle licensing agency, DVLA? When your health affects your driving. When you have to work abroad. When you lend your vehicle to someone. When your vehicle needs a MO certificate. You're turning right onto a dual carriageway. What should you do if the central reservation is too narrow to contain your vehicle? Proceed to the central reservation and wait. Wait until the road is clear in both directions. Stop in the first lane so that other vehicles give way. Emerge slightly to show your intentions. On a 3-lane motorway, which lane should you use if there's no traffic ahead? Left, right, center. Either the right or center. When may you overtake another vehicle on their left? When you're in a one-way street. When approaching a motorway slip road where you'll be turning off. When the vehicle in front is signaling to turn left. When a slower vehicle is traveling in the right-hand lane of a dual carriageway. What should you do when you're following a learner driver who stalls at a junction? Be patient, as you expect them to make mistakes. Stay very close behind and flash your headlights. Start to rev your engine if they take too long to restart. Immediately steer around them and drive on. What may help to deter a thief from stealing your car? Always keeping the headlights on. Fitting reflective glass windows. Always keeping the interior light on. Etching the registration number on the windows. What should you do when you're overtaking a motorcyclist on a windy day? Pass closely. Pass very slowly. Pass widely. Pass immediately. You're in the left-hand lane at traffic lights, waiting to turn left, which signal means you must wait. What should you do when you're approaching a bus that's signaling to move away from a bus stop? Get past before it moves. Allow it to pull away, if it's safe to do so. Flash your headlights as you approach. Signal left and wave the bus on. You're towing a caravan, which is the safest type of rear view mirror to use. Interior wide-angle mirror. Extended arm side mirrors. Ordinary door mirrors. Ordinary interior mirror. For how long is a statutory off-road notification, SORN, valid? Until the vehicle is taxed, sold or scrapped. Until the vehicle is insured in mode. Until the vehicle is repaired or modified. Until the vehicle is used on the road. You're going to tow a trailer that's wider than your car. What must you fit to your car before you start towing it? Exterior towing mirrors. Projection markers. Parking sensors. Rear view camera. What does it mean if this light comes on while you're driving? A fault in the braking system. The engine oil is low. A rear light has failed. Your seat belt is not fastened. Your car needs to pass a MO test. What may be invalidated if you drive the car without a current MO certificate? The vehicle service record. The vehicle insurance. The vehicle tax. The vehicle registration document.
Sorry, just want to receive a parcel. Sorry. Okay.
Your car needs to pass a MO test. What may be invalidated if you drive the car without a current MO certificate? You're traveling along a motorway. When are you allowed to overtake on the left? When you can see well ahead that the hard shoulder is clear. When the traffic in the right-hand lane is signaling right. When you warn drivers behind by signaling left. When in queues and traffic to your right is moving more slowly than you are. What hazard should you be aware of when traveling along this street? Glare from the sun. Lack of road markings. Children running out between vehicles. Heavy goods vehicles. What does it mean if the signs at a bus lane show no times of operation? The lane is not in operation. The lane is only in operation at peak times. The lane is in operation 24 hours a day. The lane is only in operation in daylight hours. You're being overtaken by a long, heavily laden lorry. What should you do if it's taking a long time for it to overtake? Speed up. Slow down. Hold your speed. Change direction. You're driving on a road that has a cycle lane. What does it mean if the lane is marked by a broken white line? You should not drive in the lane unless it's unavoidable. There's a reduced speed limit for motor vehicles using the lane. Cyclists can travel in both directions in that lane. The lane must be used by motorcyclists in heavy traffic. What does a red traffic light mean? You should stop unless turning left. Stop if you're able to brake safely. You must stop and wait behind the stop line. Proceed with care. You're traveling behind a moped. What should you do if you want to turn left a short distance ahead? Overtake the moped before the junction. Pull alongside the moped and stay level until just before the junction. Sound your horn as a warning and pull in front of the moped. Stay behind until the moped has passed the junction. Other drivers may sometimes flash their headlights at you. What's the official meaning of this signal? There's a radar speed trap ahead. They're giving way to you. They're warning you of their presence. There's a fault with your vehicle. What does this sign mean? Bend to the right. Road on the right closed. No traffic from the right. No right turn. What does this sign mean? Minimum speed 30 miles per hour. End of maximum speed. End of minimum speed. Maximum speed 30 miles per hour. How can you help to prevent your car radio being stolen? Park in an unlit area. Leave the radio turned on. Park near a busy junction. Install a security-coded radio. Who's legally responsible for making sure that a vehicle registration certificate, V5C, is updated? The registered vehicle keeper. The vehicle manufacturer. Your insurance company. The licensing authority. What type of vehicle could you expect to meet in the middle of the road? Lorry, bicycle, car, motorcycle. What should you do when there's an obstruction on your side of the road? Carry on, as you have priority. Give way to oncoming traffic. Wave oncoming vehicles through. Accelerate to get past first.
Oh, did I choose that? Yes, okay.
What do you need before you can legally use a motor vehicle on the road? An appropriate driving license. Breakdown cover. Proof of your identity. A vehicle handbook. What should you do if you see a pedestrian waiting at a zebra crossing? Go on quickly before they step onto the crossing. Stop before you reach the zigzag lines and let them cross. Be ready to slow down or stop to let them cross. Ignore them as they're still on the pavement. How can drivers help the environment? By accelerating harshly. By accelerating gently. By using leaded fuel. By driving faster. What's the speed limit for a car towing a trailer on a motorway? 40 miles per hour. 50 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour. 70 miles per hour. What hazard do you need to look out for as you drive under the bridge? Pedestrians walking in the road. Overhanging tree branches. A narrowing of the road. The height of the bridge. What hazard do you need to look out for as you drive under the bridge? Pedestrians walking in the road. Overhanging tree branches. A narrowing of the road. The height of the bridge. What's the speed limit on this road? 30 miles per hour. 40 miles per hour. 50 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour. What does the single yellow line along the side of the road mean? Waiting restrictions apply at certain times. It marks the edge of the road. No stopping at any time. No waiting at any time. You're in the left-hand lane at traffic lights, waiting to turn left, which signal means you must wait.